that much times. Okay. Now we will see group data. So in case of group data, you know that things become tricky and things become lengthier. So first of all, let's write down the formula. So the formula for mode of group data, this is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So I will define all the values. So first of all, in this case also you have to find the modal class, which I am going to discuss later with the help of example. You will understand. Then you will see that F1 is the frequency of modal class. Modal class. F0 will be the frequency of previous class. So by previous class I mean class previous to the modal class. F2 will be the frequency of next class, and H, as usual, this will give you the class width, and L is nothing but the lower limit of the modal class. So this is all the data we need. So let's try a question and let's learn how to calculate the mode of a group data. Now the question is, the class intervals are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 30, 30 40, 40 50, 60, 60 70, 70 80. I'm just going to pick up another marker. Sorry. So the data is like this. These are the class intervals. Okay, this one is better. So the frequencies are also given. Frequencies are 5, 8, 5, 8, 7, 12, 28, 20, 10 and 10. So these are the frequency and this is the formula. So what I need to do is, first of all, we need to identify the modal class. Now guys, see, I told you mode is always related with the maximum frequency. So the class with the maximum frequency, pay attention, the class here, the class interval here with the maximum frequency will be designated as the modal class. So the modal class for this topic, the modal class for this data will be the class with the maximum frequency, and in this case this is equal to this one, 40 to 50. So we can say that the modal class here is this one. So we defined the modal class. The first step is solved. F1, can you tell me what is the value of F1? So F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So frequency of modal class is 28. Why did I write the frequency of modal class as F1? Because 0 comes before 1, therefore this will be the previous class. Okay, and 2 comes next to the 1, and therefore this will be the next class. Therefore the midpoint of 0 and 2 will give me the modal class, right? So therefore F1 is equal to 28. F0 will be equal to, just see from here, this is equal to 12. The next class, the frequency of next class will be equal to 20. The class width will be equal to, you can see that the class width is constant, that is equal to 10, and the lower limit of the modal class, that is equal to 40 over here. So we just need to put the values and we will get the direct answer. So after putting the values, you can see here L is equal to 40, F1 is equal to 28, F0 is equal to 12, 2 times F1 is equal to 56, F0 is equal to 12, and F2 is equal to 20. So these are the values which I am getting from here. So you just need to solve this one, and the value of H, of course, this is the same, width, that is equal to 10 over here. So I got all the values just by finding out the modal class. Likewise, in the case of median, we used to find the median class. Okay, how did we find the median class? By dividing the number of frequency, the total number of frequency, divide by 2, and then finding out where this n by 2 lies. Okay, and in this case we found out the class with the maximum frequency, which is 28 over here. So this gives us 40 plus, this is 16 into 10 divided by 44 and 24. So this gives us 40 plus 20 upon 3, which is 40 plus 6.67 is equal to 46.67. So this will be the value of mode. So that's how we